Hey everyone, this is Julian from the Binary Lab, and doing the weekly video. I wouldn't say mindset video. Actually, it's kind of mindset as well. So today's topic is MT4 backtesting. Okay, what is backtesting, and why is backtesting important for you? So I do trading. I run a group called the Binary Lab with over 1,400 traders. Trade together in this community weekly through strategies that I share, and also members have been practicing and improving on in the group as well. So this week I'm talking about backtesting, and why it's critical is because I've mentioned in the past, like the mindset, scarcity mindset, where people have this common problems when they're either not taking the trade, or they're trading it too small, or perhaps they're taking some trades too big, and it causes them to put unnecessary amount of risk on their account. At the same time, there's another video that I've done about confidence in the trade and so on and so forth. So what backtesting can do for you is that backtesting can actually provide that confidence, especially if you're new to this. It's one of those things that can give you the sureness that something is going to work out, and that you're headed on the right path. Okay, how does that work? So in my recent trading sessions, I taught my members on how to do some MetaTrader 4 MT4 strategy testing, or price simulation. Okay, so what that basically is that rather than trading in real time, we can actually have the graphs move in accelerated time. We have past chart unfold live. Okay, and this is a great way to teach new strategy, to practice a method. But more importantly is if you can recognize trade patterns 5 times as fast, do you think you have any problem recognizing trade patterns in real time, where it's 5 times slower? Also, when you're able to do things 5 times as fast, you're able to look at the charts unfold 5 times as fast, it saves you a lot of time, and it helps you, get the whole process done so much quicker, and it gives you the confidence to take the trades. Why? Because a lot of people backtesting comes in 2 forms. That you can mark out trades on the chart. So let's say if you just learn a strategy, maybe it's Binary Lab strategy, maybe it's somewhere else, and then you want to find out if this works. Maybe you, like most people, you have been surfing around for forex trading strategies, or you went to a forum or a site and you got some kind of a trading template or a trading software, or you bought a PDF somewhere, and you thought, oh, this is the holy grail, and then before you know it, you put it on your real cash, just because you won 5 trades, and then suddenly you're like, oh shit, I lost 3 trades in a row, I should stop this, I'm gonna be blowing my account. That's happened to me. Has it happened to you? Okay, so backtesting can solve that, and how that is because, let's say, alright, backtesting, take a chart, mark it out. According to these rules, mark it out. Put an arrow, put a vertical line. That's what I do. I put an arrow, arrow down, arrow up. And if it's a setup that will win according to the rules, I leave it, the arrow or the line. But if the entry is something that will be losing, I mark it with a cross. So that way I know if it's working or not. That's it. And that's backtesting. Simulation. I do a simulation, MT4 strategy tester, and I pick a currency pair, and I get the charts to move, and I slow it to the correct speed that I want to, and I start to draw as the price unfolds. It's like live trading, literally like live trading, but so much faster. So if you have a low patience this is good. So it's coming out, and I do it hour after hour, and I recently spent a couple of days to optimize my latest strategy, which is working awesome. And let me tell you about this latest strategy that I developed. I codenamed the strategy the Clotbuster. Why the Clotbuster? Because actually there was I thought it sounded kind of cool, and there was a remote control car that I always wanted to have as a kid. It's called a Tamiya Clotbuster. It's a monster truck kind of thing, and basically it sounds like a cooler name of a juggernaut, and it's able to go across all market conditions. So in this Clotbuster, I actually have 4 strategies put together into one single template that members of the binary lab actually get to receive. So what I did was that I did a simulation, I did back testing, and I marked out strategy 1, what is the win and loss? Strategy 2, what is the win and loss? Strategy 3, what is the win and loss? Strategy 4, what is the win and loss? And then I also marked out, okay, so total win, total loss, how many trades? Percentage win. Second one, like, total win, total loss. Total how many trades? What's the percentage win? And beyond that, I started to do things like, okay, if I took strategy to 5 minutes versus 2 minutes, or versus 10 minutes, what will be the outcome? Would that be a different score line? So these are the things. This is what it is. And out of the 4 strategies, I have 2 strategies that generate a lot of trades. So let's say for every 100 trades, my first 2 strategies would generate about between 27 and 30% of trades each. And the next 2 strategies, one of them generates about, I would say about 18%, and the other one generates about, one sec. One of them generates about 22%, and the other one generates the balance, so it's like 10+%. So for the 2 most commonly occurring trade setups on the first 2 strategies, like the first one had something like it was the messiest on the chart. If you look at the chart and you mark out every single win and every single loss, sometimes you get 3 consecutive losses, sometimes you get 4 even. 4 consecutive losses was the most I got. And now, if you start out trading today and you take any strategy that you obtain online or even through my group, without back testing, without due diligence, and you're basically very enthusiastic, heading out there into the markets, diving off the 10-meter diving board without checking how deep the water beneath is, what's going to happen? You don't know. And so if you went in with that strategy and you had 4 losing trades in a row, how are you going to feel? How is your account going to look like? And how is that going to shape your opinion about trading? You're going to be pissed off. You're going to lose money. Your spouse may get pissed at you for flushing money down the toilet. You risked a ridiculous amount of money on the trades when you risked like 10% where you really should only put 1%. And then ultimately you think trading is a scam and trading sucks. That can be avoided by backtesting. So let me come back to that strategy. About that strategy that I was telling you about, the most common one. And on some of the currency pairs, although I said it's about 30%, but some currency pairs it has like 35%. And out of 35% of the trades, so it generates like 35% of the total volume of trades. And out of these trades that it generates, it had the most consecutive loss. But the interesting thing is, the overall winning percentage was higher than 75%. It scored between 76 and 79% on 3 different currency pairs that I've tested already. So that basically means that even if you hit a loss, you'd repeat it again and again and again, and without fail, it eventually works out well. Backtesting and simulation is able to let you test, a theory on an extended time of data and let you know how it will hold up in extended testing. And when the testing is done in all conditions, all hours, Asian, New York, London, and even when the market is sideways trending, even when it's public holiday, and if it still survives, isn't that going to make you a lot more confident about placing your trades? Is that going to make you a lot more confident about sizing your trades? Is that going to make you a much more prudent trader and investor? Okay, so if you don't already know how to do this, I've posted some videos in some of my group very recently, and if you're not part of the Binary Lab yet, there's a link beneath this video that you can click and sign up. It's theBinaryLab.net, and welcome in advance to my community of traders. And we have a nice Facebook community, we have a Skype community where people are helping each other out. Alright, I'll see you there. Hope to see you in my trade session soon. And if you like my video, and do check out my other videos too, click the like button, share this if you like, and click subscribe as well so that you get updated whenever I release a new video. And I make videos like this every single week. Alright, goodbye.